Any pitch that you hear, frequency we can call them, whether it be a bird chirping, or a train horn passing, or a rock hitting the ground, or a baby crying, everything has a fundamental pitch that we perceive, and then a series of harmonics that extend from it. Welcome to my Mariachi Master Series. I guarantee that you're going to be able to pick out things that you didn't pick out before. The goal of this is to give you more tools to work with, expand your color palette so that you have more things available to you when you go to play, when you go to arrange, when you go to your gigs. I've structured this so that it's cumulative, so that week to week, we're building on the lesson from before. We're mariachi musicians, but at the core, we're musicians, and music is music. I'm currently playing with some legends under the direction of Maestro Jose Hernandez and Mariachi Sol de Mexico. Michael Jordan said, you have to practice like you're in the championship game. That's how you know you can do it. That's what it takes. I know that in 11 weeks, you'll thank me.